In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then tap on this switcher next to Clipboard to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Following that, to use Clipboard you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. Following that, if you want to paste it from Clipboard, just click on the Clipboard icon and click on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your sentence and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, use pen again, tap on your sentence and tap on pin icon right next to the pin one. Lastly, if you wish to turn off Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!